Most people think of their car's suspension as just a bunch of springs and shocks that make the ride smoother. But what if I told you that your suspension system holds secrets? Real, money-saving, safety-boosting secrets that most mechanics won't tell you unless you ask the right questions. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on 10 suspension truths that could change how you drive, how much you spend, and how long your car lasts. Secret number 1, your suspension affects way more than just comfort. When people think about suspension, they usually picture a smoother ride, less bouncing, fewer jolts. But here's the truth, your suspension system plays a massive role in your car's safety, tire wear, fuel efficiency, and even braking performance. Think about it, your suspension keeps your tires in contact with the road. If your shocks or struts are worn out, your tires can lose grip, especially during hard braking or sharp turns. That means longer stopping distances and a higher risk of skidding. In fact, studies from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration show that worn suspension components can increase braking distance by up to 20%. And it doesn't stop there. Poor suspension leads to uneven tire wear. That means you'll be replacing tires more often, spending hundreds more over the life of your car. It also forces your engine to work harder, especially if the car is bouncing or swaying, which can lower your fuel economy by 5 to 10%. Mechanics often won't mention this unless you bring it up. Why? Because suspension issues are subtle. They creep in slowly, and unless you're complaining about a bumpy ride, they might not even check it during routine service. Secret number 2, most suspension problems start small and stay hidden. Here's something most drivers don't realize. Suspension problems rarely show up overnight. They build up gradually. A worn bushing here, a leaking shock there. And because the symptoms are subtle, maybe a slight pull to one side or a faint clunking noise over bumps, most people ignore them. But here's the catch. Small suspension issues can lead to big repair bills if left unchecked. Let's take control arm bushings as an example. These rubber components cushion the connection between your car's frame and its wheels. Over time, they crack and wear out. If you catch it early, replacing bushings might cost $100 to $200. But if you ignore it, the control arm itself can get damaged, and suddenly you're looking at a $600 to $800 repair. Same goes for shocks and struts. A minor leak might not seem urgent, but once the internal seals fail, your car starts bouncing excessively. That puts stress on other parts, like your steering rack and wheel bearings, which can fail prematurely. Mechanics often wait until the problem is obvious before recommending repairs. Why? Because if they flag every minor issue, customers might think they're upselling. So unless you ask for a full suspension inspection, these early signs might go unnoticed. Secret number 3, you can check your suspension at home. No tools needed. Here's a tip mechanics rarely share. You can do a basic suspension check yourself right in your driveway. No tools, no lifts, no technical knowledge required. Start with the bounce test. Walk to each corner of your car, push down hard on the fender, and let go. If the car bounces more than once or twice, your shocks or struts might be worn out. Next, look at your tires. Uneven wear, especially cupping or scalloping, can be a sign of bad suspension. If one side of the tire looks more worn than the other, or if the tread has a wavy pattern, it's time to investigate. Also, listen while you drive. Clunking noises over bumps, squeaks during turns, or a drifting feeling on the highway can all point to suspension issues. These simple checks can give you a heads up before things get serious. And if you catch problems early, you can save hundreds, sometimes thousands, in repair costs. Secret number 4, aftermarket suspension isn't always better. There's a myth floating around that aftermarket suspension upgrades, like performance shocks or lowering kits, automatically improve your car. But here's the truth, unless you know exactly what you're doing, aftermarket suspension can actually make your ride worse. Lowering springs, for example, reduce the gap between your car and the road. That might look cool, but it also changes your suspension geometry. If not installed properly, it can lead to poor handling, increased tire wear, and even damage to your undercarriage. Performance shocks are another common upgrade. They're stiffer, which can improve cornering, but they also make the ride harsher. If you're driving on rough roads or using your car for daily commuting, you might regret the change. And here's something most people don't know. Some aftermarket parts don't last as long as OEM, original equipment manufacturer components. They might be cheaper up front, but they wear out faster, leading to more frequent replacements. Mechanics often won't warn you about this unless you ask. Some shops even make more profit installing aftermarket kits than OEM parts. So before you upgrade, do your research. Make sure the parts are compatible with your car and understand how they'll affect your ride quality and long-term maintenance. Secret number 5, suspension alignment isn't just about steering straight. Most people think of wheel alignment as something you do when your car pulls to one side, but alignment affects way more than just steering. It's a key part of your suspension health. When your wheels are out of alignment, your suspension components have to work harder to keep the car stable. That leads to faster wear on ball joints, tie rods, and control arms. It also causes uneven tire wear, which can shorten tire life by up to 50%. And here's the kicker: alignment can be thrown off by something as simple as hitting a pothole. You might not notice it right away, but over time, the effects add up. Mechanics often check alignment only when you ask for it. It's not always part of routine service, but experts recommend getting an alignment check at least once a year, or anytime you notice changes in handling, tire wear, or fuel economy. Proper alignment also improves fuel efficiency. When your wheels are straight and balanced, your car rolls more smoothly, reducing drag and engine strain. That means better mileage and lower emissions. So don't wait for your car to start pulling. Ask for an alignment check proactively. It's one of the simplest ways to protect your suspension and extend the life of your tires. Secret number 6, suspension. Noise isn't just annoying, it's a warning. You know that faint clunking sound when you go over a speed bump, or the creaking when you turn into a driveway? Most people brush it off as just an old car thing, but here's the truth: suspension noise is often your car's way of crying for help. These sounds usually come from worn ball joints, bushings, or sway bar links, and while they might seem harmless at first, they're often the early signs of parts that are on the verge of failure. A loose ball joint, for example, can eventually separate completely, causing your wheel to collapse inward. That's not just expensive, it's dangerous. What makes this tricky is that many mechanics won't investigate unless the noise is loud or persistent. They might chalk it up to normal wear and tear, but if you hear something unusual, especially when turning or braking, it's worth getting a second opinion. Catching these issues early can prevent catastrophic failure and save you thousands in repairs. Secret number 7, suspension wear is accelerated by driving habits. Here's something most drivers never consider: the way you drive directly affects how long your suspension lasts. Aggressive cornering, hard braking, and rapid acceleration all put extra stress on suspension components. So does driving over potholes, speed bumps, or rough terrain without slowing down. Even something as simple as consistently parking with one wheel on a curb can twist your suspension geometry over time. And it's not just about wear, it's about uneven wear. For example, if you always take sharp left turns at speed, the right side suspension components will wear out faster. That leads to imbalanced handling and unpredictable steering. Mechanics rarely ask about your driving style, but it's one of the biggest factors in suspension health. If you want your suspension to last, drive smoothly, avoid sudden movements, and treat your car like it's made of glass, not rubber. Secret number 8, suspension fluids and lubrication are often ignored. Most people know to change their engine oil and brake fluid, but suspension components also rely on lubrication, and it's often overlooked. Ball joints, control arms, and tie rods have grease fittings that need periodic attention. If they dry out, friction increases, leading to premature wear and noisy operation. Some newer cars use sealed components, but many still rely on regular greasing to stay healthy. Then there's hydraulic suspension systems, found in luxury cars and some SUVs. These systems use fluid to adjust ride height and damping. If the fluid level drops or becomes contaminated, the system can fail, leading to a rough ride or even suspension collapse. The problem? Suspension fluid checks aren't part of most routine services. Unless you specifically ask, they're often skipped. So if your car has hydraulic or air suspension, make sure you're checking fluid levels and replacing them as recommended by the manufacturer. Secret number 9, air suspension isn't always a luxury, it's a liability. Air suspension sounds fancy, right? Smooth ride, adjustable height, better handling. But here's the catch: it's also one of the most failure-prone systems in modern cars. Instead of metal springs, air suspension uses rubber airbags filled with pressurized air. Over time, these bags crack, leak, or burst, especially in extreme temperatures. And when they fail, the car can drop to the ground, making it undrivable. The compressors that fill these airbags are also prone to failure. If the compressor dies, the entire system goes offline, and replacements aren't cheap. Air suspension suspension repairs can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 depending on the vehicle. Mechanics often won't warn you about this when you buy a used car with air suspension. It's one of those hidden costs that only show up later. So if you're considering a car with air suspension, ask for a full system check. And if you already own one, keep an eye on ride height, listen for compressor noise, and check for leaks around the airbags. Secret number 10, suspension upgrades can void your warranty. Here's a little known fact that can cost you big. Modifying your suspension can void your car's warranty. Whether it's lowering springs, coilovers, or aftermarket control arms, any change to the factory suspension setup can be flagged by dealerships as unauthorized modification. That means if something goes wrong, like a broken axle or failed steering rack, they might refuse to cover the repair under warranty. Even if the upgrade didn't directly cause the issue, the dealership can argue that it contributed to the failure. And once the warranty is voided, you're on the hook for everything. This is especially common with leased vehicles or cars still under manufacturer coverage. So before you install that new suspension kit, check your warranty terms. And if you're unsure, ask the dealer in writing. It's better to be safe than sorry. If this video helped you understand your car a little better, give it a thumbs up. It tells the algorithm this content matters. And if you've ever been blindsided by a repair bill or felt like your mechanic wasn't telling you the full story, share this with someone who needs to hear it. We're building a community of smart drivers, people who want to know what's really going on under the hood. So if that sounds like you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I've got more deep dives coming your way. Real tips, real stories, and no fluff. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.